Grab a snack, sit down, and listen closely because your entire living room setup is about to change forever. Apple just quietly leaked 5 massive, hidden features for the Apple TV 4K. These are all packed into the brand new tvOS 26.4 update, and they are game changers. Let us be completely honest for a second. Roku and Amazon Fire TV are in serious trouble. In fact, looking at the market in 2026, they are essentially dead in the water. Why? The facts speak for themselves right now. Roku's newest 4K streaming sticks are currently suffering from 30% slower app loading times. That is a lifetime when you just want to watch a show. Meanwhile, Amazon Fire TV is stuffing 50% more unskippable ads directly onto your home screen. Nobody wants to turn on their television and immediately see an ad. People just want to watch their movies. While those companies make mistakes, Apple TV 4K is pulling way ahead of the pack. If we look back at the last major update, tvOS 26.3, we have to admit it was a little boring. It just gave us basic profile swaps and some very minor bug fixes. It was a 2 out of 10 at best. But tvOS 26.4 is a completely different story. This is a 10 out of 10 update. We are talking about 100% glitch-free audio. We're getting totally new AI-powered movie guides. We even have secret codes hidden in the software that prove a massive new AI Apple TV hardware drop is coming very soon. Make sure you stick around and watch until the very end of this video. Feature number 5 completely blew the lid off Apple's secret plans for this year. Let's dive right in. Feature 1, continuous audio connection. Let's talk about feature number 1. This is exactly what home theater fans have been begging for. It is officially called continuous audio connection. Have you ever experienced this highly annoying situation? You sit down and watch a great movie. You get comfortable. You press play. But for the first 2 seconds of the film, there is absolutely no sound. Or even worse, think about when you switch from a casual YouTube video to a heavy Netflix movie. Your expensive soundbar suddenly makes a loud, annoying popping noise. It completely ruins the whole premium movie theater vibe. This happens because your television and your speakers are basically shaking hands every single time the audio format changes on your screen. Going from a basic stereo signal to a complex Dolby Atmos signal takes time for the hardware to process. But tvOS 26.4 finally stops this problem for good. With this brand new update, Apple keeps the audio pipeline wide open 100% of the time. The Apple TV now sends a silent, active signal to your speakers even when absolutely nothing is playing. There are no more hardware handshakes. There are no more audio delays. There are no more sudden popping sounds. If you have a premium soundbar or a really nice audio receiver setup, this one single feature makes the Apple TV 4K the absolute best streaming box on the entire planet. The audio lag is finally dead. Feature 2, Genius Browse. Moving on to feature number 2. Let me ask you a very real question. How many hours of your life have you wasted just scrolling on your television, desperately trying to find something good to watch? You open Netflix and scroll. Then you check Max. Then you hop over to Disney Flow. You spend 30 whole minutes just searching and 0 minutes actually watching anything. It is the paradox of choice, and Apple knows this is a huge problem for consumers. So, in tvOS 26.4, they're bringing back a famous Apple feature from the past, but making it infinitely better. It is called Genius Browse. You might remember the word genius from the old classic iTunes music days. Now, that smart technology is living right on your Apple TV home screen. This is a super smart, AI-driven content discovery tool. Instead of just showing you random popular shows that everyone else is watching, Genius Browse actually learns exactly what you like. It monitors your habits. Then it creates awesome, highly specific categories just for you. You will see personalized rows like action-packed sci-fi, good for date night, or bittersweet family dramas. And here is the absolute best part about it. It does not just show you Apple TV Plus shows. It seamlessly pulls movies and television shows from all your other streaming apps, too. Everything is connected. When you click on a movie you like, it instantly builds a brand new list of related movies right below it. It is exactly like having a really smart friend sitting next to you who knows exactly what you are in the mood to watch. This saves so much time and completely fixes the scrolling fatigue problem. Feature 3. System-wide subtitles. Feature number 3 is a massive quality of life upgrade that everyone needs. Let's talk about subtitles. Many people use subtitles for almost everything they watch right now. Modern actors whisper way too much, and background music is always mixed too loud. But changing how your subtitles look on the Apple TV used to be an absolute nightmare. Think about the old process. You had to stop your movie completely. You had to exit the streaming app. You had to go all the way out into the main system settings. Then you had to find the accessibility menu just to tweak the text. It took way too many clicks and ruined the momentum of the movie. That is not the case anymore. In tvOS 26.4, you get system-wide subtitle customization right inside the active video player. If you're watching a show and the text is hard to read, you just swipe up on your Apple remote. You click the little speech bubble icon on the screen, and boom. The customization menu is right there in front of you. You can make the text bigger instantly. You can make the dark background fully transparent. You can even change the actual font style to something more readable. You can see all of these changes happen live on your screen without ever pausing or stopping your movie. It might sound like a small detail to some people, but trust me, when you're watching a visually dark movie and bright white subtitles are blinding your eyes, this quick fix is an absolute lifesaver. Feature 4. The end of an era. Feature number 4 is actually a goodbye. We are losing something major in tvOS 26.4. But honestly, it is absolutely for the best. Apple is permanently deleting the classic iTunes movies and iTunes TV shows apps directly from your home screen. They are officially gone forever. If you've been using Apple products for a very long time, this moment might feel a little nostalgic or sad. We all remember buying our very first digital movie on iTunes back in the day. But having 3 completely different apps just to watch television simply does not make sense anymore. It confused a lot of new users. Now, Apple has fixed the clutter. Every single digital item you own is forced into the main, singular Apple TV app. All of your purchased movies, all of your bought TV shows, and all of your future wish lists are securely wrapped up into one very clean, modern interface. It makes the entire Apple TV home screen look so much cleaner and far less crowded. It also does something great for performance. It makes the whole Apple TV box run a little faster. The system processor no longer has to load those old, heavy, outdated apps in the background memory anymore. Simple is always better, and this cleanup was desperately needed. Feature 5. The secret code leaks. Alright, we finally made it to feature number 5. I told you to stay until the end, and this is exactly why. This feature is not something you can easily see on your television screen just yet. This is highly classified information hidden deep inside the actual system code of the tvOS 26.4 update. Very smart software developers dug deep into the update files and found 3 massive secrets. These secrets reveal exactly what Apple is planning to dominate the rest of 2026. First, the developers found active code for live Formula 1 racing integration. This code is built directly into the Core TV app. Apple has been heavily rumored to be buying up more major sports broadcasting rights, and this hidden code basically proves those rumors are true. Second, there is deeply hidden code designed for streaming video straight to your car's dashboard system using Apple CarPlay. Imagine the convenience. You are sitting in your parked electric car, waiting for your battery to charge up. Now, you can safely watch your favorite Apple TV shows right on the main dashboard screen. But here is the absolute biggest secret of them all. The system code directly references brand new, totally unreleased hardware. The files point directly to a massive, heavily AI-powered Apple TV device. This new box is expected to drop later this year at the big WWDC event. This new Apple TV is expected to be a full, intelligent smart home hub. It will use heavy on-device artificial intelligence to seamlessly control your security cameras, manage your smart lights, and deeply analyze your viewing habits. This tvOS 26.4 update is basically just laying the digital foundation. Apple is getting the software perfectly ready right now, so the brand new AI hardware can shine later this year. The final verdict. So there you have the full breakdown. 5 huge, hidden features officially leaked for tvOS 26.4. You are getting vastly better and faster audio connections. You are getting AI-powered movie guides that actually understand your taste. You get incredibly easy, on-the-fly subtitle controls. You get a much cleaner, faster home screen experience. And most importantly, you get undeniable secret proof of a brand new AI-focused Apple TV console. Apple is totally destroying the streaming competition this year. Roku and Fire TV really need to step up their game immediately if they want to survive this takeover. Looking at this objectively, the Apple TV 4K remains the premium choice for any living room. While other companies focus on pushing ads and cheap hardware, Apple is clearly focusing on user experience, artificial intelligence, and ecosystem integration. It is an investment, but for glitch-free audio and smart discovery, it easily justifies its place in the market. If this video helped you out and you learned something new today, please smash that subscribe button. Share this video with a friend who loves movies. And make sure you hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Have an awesome week, and I will see you in the next video.